In this video I will show you how to hold the PENfriend and how to make your voice recordings. There is a flat end and a pointy end. If you hold up the PENfriend, there is the speaker and a small plastic protrusion for the lanyard. This is your navigation start point. Run your finger down and the first button you will feel is the power button. It protrudes most from the body of the pen. Press this button for about 2 seconds so that it is not accidentally powered. When you hear a beep, and the light turns red, you know that the power is on. Continue to slide your thumb down till you feel the second button. This protrudes from the body but not as much as the power button. Slide further down to the volume button. By quickly clicking this button, the volume will toggle up and down. The last button is the mode button, which will be used to listen to books and music. Let's see how to make a recording. Take any of the tactile stickers. Can you feel the dots? Let's use sticker number TTS1. Take your PENfriend with power on, press the record button and keep it pressed. Now here is the important bit. Move the pen to TTS1 and with the pointed end touch the sticker. You will hear a beep. Please practice this until you are totally familiar with the action. New users find this sometimes difficult. Try to keep the pen nearly vertical so that the tip scans clearly the dots in TTS1.
I'm testing the recording of my first label.
Finished recording? Save by quickly press and release the record button. You know it is saved when you hear a beep. Remember, you can record as many times over but only the latest recording will be saved. All previous recordings will be erased. Sticker TTS1 can be used over and over again. Because you have 16 gigabytes of memory, there is scope for over 250 hours of recording. So take your time. Okay, let's see where else you can record your voice. For families where one member is partially sighted, there are nearly 100 picture books where you can record your voice on any page. For example, let's take A Day with Grandpa. This is an intergeneration book. So let's see how we make 2 recordings on the same sound spot on a page, with the latest being saved for another time. Press record and touch any top corner to make your recording. Save by press release the record button. Here goes.
These pictures look like me and my granddad when we were playing with our kite.
These pictures look like me and my granddad when we were playing with our kite.
Now I can change the recording by repeating the process with Grandpa speaking instead.
Oh, it's so lovely to be out with my grandson flying a kite. Oh dear, look, we've knocked into a bird.
It's so lovely to be out with my grandson flying a kite. Oh dear, look, we've knocked into a bird.
Coming soon in June 2023 will be the new tactile talking address book, and the washable stickers for tin and bottle tops. Go through the same process, press record button, touch a sound spot, release, speak your message and then, press release quickly to save your message.
Here we have our new address book. Let me show you how it works. You put the tabs wherever you need them to go, down the side here. And you record whatever you want this page to be. This could be your emergency phone numbers. So the first thing you do is you tap on here, emergency contacts.
Emergency contacts.
So there you have that on there. Now you can populate your page with all your details. With these long addresses, sometimes there's so much text, but it's much easier when you can read it out. Dr. Smith.
Dr. Smith.
I have a meeting with him tomorrow at 10 a.m.
I have a meeting with him tomorrow at 10 a.m.
012-456-78910.
012-456-78910. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
This will be coming out in May this year. Also, coming soon, we have plastic washable labels for tin can lids and bottle tops. You can't put them in your dishwasher, but you can wash them as many times as you like.
This is the end of the how to make recording video. There are so far 4 help videos which you can access from our website www.touchspotradio.com, www.penfriendlabeler.com, or from YouTube. Search for PENfriend Voice Labeler. Goodbye.